side. There is a bit of wind, isn't there? To get those wings level, just cut through the air perfectly. Lovely sunny. Happy days, happy days, happy days. Sunny Will Game from Ace Aero Sports with a Yellow Purse.
Hey guys, thanks for checking in on this Bravo 303 video from Weston Park 2022. If you've got any questions about the model you've just seen, hit it in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the like, and if you want to see more from the show, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you soon.